Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to Makeup with Time with Julia. Firstly, guys, I woke up this morning. I woke up to 100 subscribers. 100 of you. 100 of you guys has subscribed to me. I'm happy. I'm grateful. Exactly a year being on YouTube. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for those who recently subscribed to me, and thank you guys that has been with me since last year. Thank you so much. It's 100 subscribers, yeah, right? In my head, it's 100,000. In my head, it's 100 million subscribers. I'm delusional. I can't help it. But I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. In today's video, guys, let's just jump right to it. I got this eyeshadow palette from Amazon. This is the front and this is the back. It's called Afflano. Have you heard of Afflano before? Afflano Space Blue. They have different color square. Let's just remove it. Throw that across the room, like what we usually do. So here is the eyeshadow palette. You have mirror here, and you have 15 shades in total, guys. So we're just gonna give it a go. I have not heard of this company before. You know, all these small company, we don't know what they're doing, but they are all just there. You know what? Let's just start giving them some, let's start sharing some light to their company and see what they are on about. If they are good, bad, or no. I've done a mini clip and a swatch, which I'm gonna insert. Do you have any look? Do you have any idea? Can you tell me what I need to do? Shall we do this eye first or this one? Let's do this one first, guys. So I'll just dab P. Louise all over my eyelid. I will go in with this shade, this very shade here. Let's do this blue. Can you? Okay, that's good. The camera is doing its job. Otherwise, we will fight. And I will find you. Okay, there's some pigment going on here, guys. The pigment. Kill me, will ya? This is gorgeous. I am that girl who is scared of blue. Blue is my kind of weak point when it comes to color eyeshadow. If you are scared of blue, leave your comment below. Tell me your horror, Tell me the shade you are afraid of using. Here. Let's see how it goes. So I'll take this brush. You see how much I have. Just very small, because now that I know the eyeshadow is quite pigmented, so let's just use this very shade to lighten my brow bone area. So now that I have this small precise brush, I'll go in with this shade here, which is like a light brown, very light. I want this area to be more light, if you know what I mean. So yeah, guys, 1 year on YouTube. I just hit 100 subscribers this morning. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. To some people, 100 is nothing, but to me, it's truly something. I feel like I have achieved something. So I'll go back in with this shade again I started on with. So I want this area back, that deep blue. I'll go in with this shade here, this very blue dark blue. I'll apply this on my outer V on top of what I've got on. I'll just cut my crease now. Look up, Julia. Is that where I want to cut today? Because my eyes. Okay, so I will go back in with this shade right here for my outer VVV. Let's blend this together. Telephone me. With clear on. I don't have to edit my video. You guys will be like, seriously? Maybe some of you might able to relate to me. I'm just next level when it comes to be clumsy and talk shit. Just when I'm here, try to be professional, my best behavior and all that shit. And I'm off camera, goofy as hell. Be limited. I'll go in with this shade first, then I'll top it up with the pressed glitter. With the pressed glitter now. Previous video, you must have seen this too. It's from Boots. Okay, I think I'll go in with this. Eyeliner from Primark. Today we are doing something different. Let's see how it goes. Shade. Go in with this shade on my bottom lash. I've got this for my inner corner. I've got this. Oh, this is gorgeous. I like it. Later, I'll use this very one here from our brush collection. You guys really need to check it out. They are all available on our website, which is www.makeupitime.com. Free UK shipping. So the highlighter. When I tried the other highlighter, I didn't like it. It wasn't for me, but for some reason this one, yep, I like it. You see how your taste will change from one minute to the other. Confused. I will just go and do the other eye off camera. Everything that you need to see, you have seen it, apart from my lippy and my false lashes or setting spray. Apart from that, more or less, I will just say the face is completed apart from this eye. So let me just go and repeat the process off camera. Then you to blow eyeshadow and you can't afford, like, let's say the Jeffree Star one. The other one I can recommend is Makeup Revolution, which is their flawless range. So they have, you know, something similar. I have also made a video, you know, in regards to that eyeshadow. That one is also available, Makeup Revolution website, and it's £10 tenner, while this one is $13.99. If you want to, you know, go and get this eyeshadow, palette. Is available on Amazon. Will I recommend it? Definitely. I will try more of this just to give you something different, some other cheap brand that is really good that people doesn't really talk about. If you look at video on YouTube, for example, there are tons of video when it comes to you can be beauty and Focala or something. Focala. I don't know. Focala. That's how I pronounce it. I hope you like this look. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys on my very next video. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well. It's at Makeup Time with Julia. Okay, if you want to go and check all these lashes out, it's available on makeupitime.com. Okay guys, I will see you guys on my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.